now. Propane coming in here. They're filling out the propane for the dryer. We're filling out this truck with dry corn so we can move it over to another bin. Well, today is Monday, Thanksgiving Day, and we're going again on corn. And definitely rained over the weekend, but she dried up so we can start combining again, and it's doing really good for yield wise. Like what, like maybe 150 bushels plus for a half-mile pass. That's pretty darn good. We have nice tall corn. I mean, not bad of a cob. I mean, there's bigger ones, but I really want to go to the States down south and see what the difference between our corn and their corn is, and what 300 bushel corn is. Taking our first load away for today, and I got to drive a combine for the first time. I may be feeling really nervous now, so it's kind of quite something you got to get used to, I guess. Well, we got a full cart here, that's for sure. Oh yeah, she's full. Pulling out of the field here. I'll show you how our system works. So we got a full super bee here, and we dump it. It's a wet corn. The wet corn goes up through this auger into that bin there. That bin there, we call it the wet bin, and that holds about 6,400 bushels. It drags the wet corn into the dryer. It drags it in there automatically whenever the dryer calls for more corn. The corn is then brought up to here, distributed all the way down here. It will stop when that metering roll stops turning. Boom. The corn is then distributed on there and brought all the way down here. And while there's heat, as you can see, heat blowing through the middle of the core, and it blows it out. So it tries to dry the corn down. Then the corn works its way itself down to the bottom, all the way out there, and then these augers bring it up to our dry bins. Right now we are putting in our farthest dry bin right there, and yeah, that's how our leg works. Let's go grab some samples and see how wet it is. 36, 25.5. We have a hard time catching up here with truckers. Getting later, boys. Last load for today. You might be wondering why we're loading up with wheat. Tomorrow morning we got a few loads of wheat going in our local elevator, and we gotta get that cleaned up. So wheat in this bin, and we want to get it empty so we can use this bin as a dry bin as well, so we can get caught up with corn, because we got rain coming in the forecast. So let's get as much corn as we can get done. We're trying to get this load empty now that we have enough room in the wet bin, and then we're gonna load this trailer up with wheat and haul it out to the elevator. Dumping. First load dumped. I'll have to get another one. Switch trucks. Second dumping. Second load dumped. We're emptying corn out of this dry bin, and all that corn is going to fill that far, the 10,000 north bin, and then we're going to fill the other one. So we're going to get that moved, and then we can start combining. Got corn, we're trying to get it to fit in this bin here. Alright, so what our plan is, we're going to back this cart out of the shed, put some wet stuff in the cart, and put it in the truck, and then throw that wet stuff into the wet bin, and then we're ready to go and roll. quite the system here. We got some cardboard there to hold the corn in so it doesn't splash out. And yeah, so it goes into this bin. So this is all dry corn, and we want to move it to that 10,000 bushel bin there. So I think it's going pretty good. Yeah. Looks like it's going pretty great inside here, you know. Going pretty darn good. Loaded.